Hello, in this lesson, we will be configuring Containerd. So the goal of this lesson is to get our Containerd service configured and ready for us to use as part of our Kubernetes cluster. So I'm going to be running these commands on both worker nodes to set up the Containerd service. And I'm going to start off by making a directory. So I'm just going to run a sudo mkdir-p, and I'm going to make this directory called etc/containerd. And I've made that directory on both of my worker node servers. And that's just a directory that we're going to use to store some Containerd configuration. Next, I'm going to create my containerdconfig.toml file. This is just a configuration file for our Containerd runtime that we need to create. So it's going to go in that directory that we just created, etc/containerd/config.toml. And here's the contents of that file. And of course, if you're following along, you'll probably want to just copy and paste this command from the description below the video so that you can get the contents of this configuration file. So now that I've created that file, I'm ready to go ahead and create my systemd unit file. So I'm going to run one more command to create etc/systemd/system/containerd.service. So that's just my systemd unit file, and it's just a fairly standard systemd unit file where I'm executing /bin/containerd. So I'm going to create that file, and my Containerd service is set up and ready to go. We're not going to start the service just yet. We're going to wait until we have all three services configured before we go ahead and start them all. So that's all for this lesson. Our Containerd service should be ready to go.